You'll notice that I'm in editing mode of my site right here. If I ever want to preview my site, I simply click on the eye up here at the top, and this will show me what my site will look like full screen. And then when I want to exit out of that, I just click the X at the bottom. So that's the preview. When it's time to publish or share your site, you're going to click on the Publish button in the top right-hand corner. And then you're going to go ahead and type in your name here. And then notice that it defaults to anybody in Northwest ISD. This is how we're going to leave it for elementary students. Now, if you did want to change this at any point, then you can come in and just invite certain people, or change if you want that to be open outside of NISD. A lot of our seniors will do that, but for now, you can leave it here and click on Publish. You're going to be asked to share the link to your ePortfolio. This is a very important step. You never want to share the link when you're in editing mode, but rather you're going to click on the arrow and then View Published Site. And then this link up here at the top is going to be the one that you'll share. So I'm on the home screen and I'm sharing this link. I want you to notice the difference when you're in editing mode. There's a edit option here, and if you share this, no one will be able to view it because it's in editing mode. So you've got to make sure to click on the arrow and then View Publish Site, and this is what you'll share in the Google form when it's time to share your site. Okay? Anytime you want to go in and look at your publish settings, they're right here, and then after you add to your site, you'll want to click Publish as a way of making sure that all of the changes that you've made will show up for those who are viewing your site. The last step here is if you did want to share your ePortfolio with other collaborators, notice that you can give them viewing rights or editing rights. You're probably not going to give anyone editing rights on your ePortfolio, but if you did want to share this maybe with your parents who are outside of NISD, that would be a great option to enter the parent's email here. And then lastly, one quick way to get the link to your site is to simply click on the Copy Published Site link here. And this will pull up the quick link to your site. So you can just copy it here rather than going to the arrow and View Publish Site. There's a quick icon that just says Copy Published Site Link.